The recipe came that you can easily prepare with only 1 potato and 3 eggs. 1 potato. Finely chop the potato. If you do not have such a chopping apparatus, you can also chop it with your hands. Put the potatoes in a deep bowl and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour water on it. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. One green pepper. We chop the pepper finely. My name is Tugba. I live in Turkey. Where are you from? Chop 1 pinch of fresh onions. Is this your first time seeing my channel? A recipe you can make for breakfast or dinner. One pinch of parsley. This is the recipe you can make in 5 minutes. Three eggs. I add salt, pepper, and some chili peppers. You can also add your favorite spices. Mix well. You can drain the potatoes. I place the potatoes on a towel of paper. You need to water the chopped potatoes thoroughly. Put the pan on the stove and add some vegetable oil. Place the potatoes after the oil is well heated. I accelerated this step so you don't get bored. Some salt. Close the lid of the pan and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. When you see the fries at the bottom, add the egg. We ensure that the egg is spread evenly everywhere. Grate some cheddar cheese. You can make this delicious recipe for your loved ones in 5 minutes. Close the lid and cook again until the cheese melts. Then I double. Now we open the bottom of the stove and fry both sides nicely. It looks very appetizing, doesn't it? I put it on the serving plate. The potatoes are crispy. Try and save this delicious recipe. If you want recipes like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.